Brilliant.
Okay, brilliant. We've reviewed your ARC, and basically I'm just going to give you general feedback, but you'll get a copy of this anyway. So we think that it's a great project, and I know that when we met before, you mentioned that these students would likely fail if this project wasn't run, because of, I guess because of time. But we were saying that actually this in a way, if it is successful in making this video and the tools, but actually that proves that we can deliver this type of content in this way. Obviously, if it works, I'm sure it will. The spreadsheet and the video, we think are brilliant ideas as tools and resources, and maybe where you put them is something we have to think about. The hard bit will be creating the actual content and the tooling, like as in the spreadsheet itself, but we're obviously here to help. And I know that on Wednesday we're coming into film, so obviously you're already underway with that, but they will be the hardest parts probably. Things to consider, we're talking about what will be your measure for impact, so how will you know that this is having an impact, and we've actually had lots of ideas around that. Possible mock tests, we're assuming that you've probably already done mock tests at this point in the year anyway. We were talking about ways that you can tell whether students have watched the videos, and when you do your mock test you'd be able to almost identify if that made a difference, as in students that haven't watched the videos, because some we're sure that will happen, so you can maybe track against that. Getting some feedback from the learners, did they even think it was useful in the first place, might be one way to go. Possible ideas moving forward, we're aware that floristry, so Fiz in floristry is running a similar project. It's not quite the same, but she's using video content, so it might be something there where you can hook up with Fiz and see what she's doing and how she's tracking. And we're also mindful that this does need to move fast, because obviously you've got a lot to do there, so yeah, and if there's any other points. I don't know if I've got anything.
No, really great idea, and yeah, looking forward to progress.
Good luck.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.